Welcome to day 3 of our 7-day Better Bedtime Habits Challenge. I am so excited that you are feeling fantastic after completing days 1 and 2 of the challenge. Today we are diving into a crucial piece of the puzzle: consistency. Specifically, how setting a sleep schedule is the superpower for your health and weight loss goals. As you can see from day 1 and 2, these small changes can be the pathway to big transformations. Step 1, the importance of sleep consistency. You know our bodies thrive on routine, right? When we go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, and every day includes Friday night, Saturday, and Sunday, it helps regulate our internal clock. When our internal clock is ticking on time, we sleep better, our hormonal profile feels more calm and stable. When those factors are aligned, we experience less chaotic cravings, so we make better food choices, have more energy to be active throughout the day, and are more prone to handle stress, not try to eat or doom scroll it away. Step 2, choose your ideal sleep time. Now, I want you to think about your ideal sleep time. What feels good for you? You know your body best, but aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep. You're officially setting a new standard for yourself, so remember that as you move through this process. Once you've chosen your time, mark it down. Set an alert reminder. Mind you, your sleep time should follow and come somewhere at the tail end of your wind down time. I admit, this one might take a little time for your body to adjust to, but don't get discouraged. Like most things in life, if you slip up one night, just get back on track the next day, the literal next day. I want to hear how everything is going for you. Let me know your takeaways from day 1, 2, and now day 3 of this challenge. What things are really resonating with you, and what things are you still kind of needing a little bit of encouragement on? I am so excited about what you are going to conquer for tomorrow, day 4. I will see you soon.